Hmm. Okay. I've been owning this bike for a while now. The Burchda R5 Pro, which is foldable. And I must admit, I haven't once tried to fold it. So we're going to test that out today. There's a latch here, and I'll show you that later in the video. And I have to push this latch up and just pull it back. It's a simple latch, but I'll show it to you. Now I have to try to fold the bike. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm gonna grab it, I guess. Maybe here. Okay. Okay, just one moment. Oh, okay, that wasn't too bad. All right, now let me show you what that's sitting on. There seems to be a little stand right there that the bike sits on once you fold it. That wasn't too bad. I'm very surprised. Oh, wow. Okay. This is what it looks like folded. I'm sorry that it's a little dirty. I did spray it off, but doesn't look like it got too clean. It looked pretty clean when it was wet. Sorry about that. All right, now also I need to show you this latch. The latch is right here. This is the latch. And what you'll have to do, you'll pull, push this here. You'll push that out. And then the latch, you'll pull it like that because it's going to be attached to the bike like this. So you're going to pull it out like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the bike back together. Maybe I can grab it here. Maybe it might be easy. I might be making this harder than it is. Let's see. Oh, that was pretty easy. Yeah. Putting the bike back together is a pretty simple process. That was easy peasy. Okay, so it looks like under normal circumstances, someone my size can fold and unfold the Burchda R5 Pro foldable e-bike. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.